Good morning and happy Tuesday, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red, and which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is now time for recitation. And remember that our recitation is a very, very long one. And yesterday I spoke to some of our friends and talked about how you can learn it in three parts. So, for example, some of you will need to just do this part first. So, learn this part right here first, then learn all of this part second, and then finally learn the third part, and then put them all back together again, and you will know the whole recitation. Now, remember that we will be off one whole week. So during that whole time, please make sure that you are practicing recitation because when we come back from our 1 week off, we will begin doing our recitations during our live sessions. Okay? All right, so the very, very first thing we have to do is title and the author, followed by where should your hands be? hmm At your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. And your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. So let's go ahead and do our recitation together. The Pilgrims came by Annette Wynne. The Pilgrims came across the sea and never thought of you and me. And yet it's very strange the way we think of them Thanksgiving Day. We tell their story old and true of how they sailed across the blue and found a new land to be free and built their homes quite near the sea. Every child knows well the tale of how they bravely turned the sail and journeyed many a day and night to worship God as they thought right. And then, of course, don't forget to take your bow. All righty, friends, it is now time for morning meeting. And let's see who our student of the day will be today. Now, remember, yesterday it was Reese. So let's see whose name I will draw out today. So today it is Jose. So Jose, come on down. So of course if Jose was here, he would come on up here. Mrs. Harrow would give him a sticker, and then Jose would write his first and last name. But since he's not here, who has to do that? Yeah, I have to do that for him. So I'm going to write Jose's first name. Okay. And then I will write his last name for him. All right, and then there's one more thing that I forgot to do. I forgot to turn the clock to morning, friends. Do we come to school at night? No. All right, so we'll turn our clock to morning. And then Mrs. Harrow would give Jose the pointer and say, here you go, my friend, and you are on. And hopefully Jose will know what to do during morning meeting. All right, so here we go. This whole thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? November. And what word is in November? The word no. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Monday, then that means that today is Tuesday. But let's just double check just to make sure. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and do our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And friends, what ordinal number will December be? And I'll wait a second. I'll let you guys count. I want the ordinal number for December. On a count of 3, I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yes, you are correct. December is 12th. Great job, my friends. Now, it looks like we have a number day missing. So let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's go ahead and do our ABC pattern. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle, square, circle. Triangle. And a 10 looks like this. And what 2 digits are in 10? Yeah, a 1 and a 0. So we're going to go ahead and put 10 right here. And then I'm going to need you to help me spell the letters in the month, beginning with N. What kind of N? Oh, yeah. Okay, capital N. Oh, that's a terrible capital N. Hold on, guys. All right. Followed by O, V, E, M, and remember, don't forget those monkey tails. B, E, and finally R. November. And then I'm going to finger space, of course. And what 2 digits am I going to write? Yeah, a 1 and a 0. And a 1 and a 0 makes what number? The number 10. And then followed by, yeah, a comma. The comma number? Nope, it is a space. And please help me with the digits in the year. Okay, 2, 0, 2, 0. Now, friends, really, really quickly, I want you to look at how I wrote the date. Of course, my capital letter starts from the top, goes all the way to the bottom. All of my lowercase letters are written underneath the dash. Okay, numbers are from top to bottom, and none of them are floating. So make sure that you are practicing how to write your name and how to write your numbers in a straight line and that they are not floating. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and read today's date. Today's date is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. Excellent. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 63 days, what would today be? Well, ask yourself, what comes after 63? So let's go all the way back to 60. So we would do 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64. All right, so I need you to help me draw out Mr. Tens and Mrs. Ones. And remember, you have to tell me when to stop. Otherwise, I'm going to keep on going. So here we go. 10, 20, 30. I keep going. Okay. 40, 50, 60. Okay, I'll stop there. And now let's go ahead and draw out Mrs. Ones. 1, 2, 3. I better put these down. I have 3, 4. Okay, I'll stop right there. All right, so now we have to put Mr. 10 and Mrs. Ones in our days in school graph. So before we do that, let's see. Really quickly, friends, what is 3 plus 3? Yep, 6. What is 5 plus 1? Yep, 6. What is 1 plus 5? Yep. What is 6 plus 0? 6. And then what is 0 plus 6? You are correct again, 6. So those are just a few different ways that we can make 6. And of course, nothing in our 100s column, right? Okay. Now let's see our Mrs. Ones. So, what is 2 plus 2? Yep, 4. What is 3 plus 1? Yep, 4. Same thing. What is 1 plus 3? Yep, 4. So we'll go ahead and write 4 right there. And let's see if our days in school tag matches what our days in school graph reads. Okay, so do we have 6 Mr. Tens? How about 4 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 64. Wow, that is a lot of days, friends. But we still have lots more together, so no worries on that. So let's go ahead and do our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And today in our coin cup, we have some coins. And the coin that we have in here today is called a, this is called a dime. And when we count dimes, we count them by tens. And a dime is worth how many cents? You are correct again, 10 cents. Excellent. Now I need you to help me count. But remember, these are dimes, so we're not going to count by ones. We have to count by tens. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 cents. So let's go ahead and write 90 cents on our math board. Okay, so right here we have 90 cents. And of course there is 90 cents right here where our coins are. Okay, now here's 90. Am I done? Why not? What do I have to do? Oh yeah, silly Mrs. Harrell, I need to write my cent sign. Great call there, friends. Remember, if we are writing coins, we must always include that cent sign. If you don't do that, I will have to mark it incorrect. And do I want to do that? No. So please make sure that you add your cent sign. All right, guys. It is time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. And in our mystery bag, friends, today Uh-oh. But first, turn on your morning brains. Today in my mystery bag, I placed 4 dot cubes. So picture that in your mind. I placed 4 dot cubes. I then removed or took away 1 dot cube. I want to know how many dot cubes are left. So listen again. So today in our mystery bag, I placed 4 dot cubes. So picture that. I then removed 1 dot cube. I want to know how many dot cubes are in my bag. Okay. How many dot cubes are in my bag? Ariana, how many are in my bag? If I took 4 away, if I placed 4 and I took 1 away, Ariana, how many should I have? I don't know. Let's see if this is correct. Ariana says 3. Let's see, because here's the 4th one, but I took this one out. So let's see what we have in here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So how many were left in my mystery bag? 3. So please give Ariana a round of applause. Great job, young lady. Excellent. That was a 4 minus 1 fact. Yeah, great job. All right, so let's go ahead. Before we do our counting, let's look at our pattern. Oh, look at today's pattern, friends. It looks like somebody wrote a pattern for us today, but they forgot to finish it off. So we started with, let's read it, 40, 50, 60. So how are we counting? By what? Yeah, we're counting by 10. So 40, 50, 60, 70. And how do I write a 70? Yeah, a 7 and a 0. Great job. Okay, let's go back. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Great job. And we've got one more to finish it off. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Excellent, friends. We definitely finished off today's pattern. So let's go ahead and count by tens. I want to tell you, everyone has done amazing with counting by tens. Pretty soon, I will ask you guys to show me that you know how to count by fives, but not yet because we're still kind of learning it. So here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here we go with fives. Are we stopping there? Nope. We will keep going. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. All right, cheerleaders, everybody stand up and please show me your energy. All right, so here we go. Cheerleaders, ready? Listos. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Who do we appreciate? Now you guys jump for me. Kindergartners, kindergartners. Yay, kindergartners. Excellent, my friends. Now look here really, really quickly in our 100s chart. I have placed some stickies here because today we're going to count from, we're going to start counting from the number 7, okay? So one number more than 6 is 7, and then we're going to stop at the number 17. Okay, so we're going to start from here and we're going to end right there. So let's go ahead and count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now looking at those numbers there, all of these numbers right here, all of those are between 7 and 17. So let's look really quickly. Is the number 10 between 7 and 17? How about, is the number 14? Well, here's 7. Let's look. Yeah, it is. How about the number 8? How about the number 11? How about the number 15? Yep. How about the number 20? Is the number 20 between 7 and 17? Nope, because here, this sticky right here tells us that's the number 18. We're going to stop right there. So 20 would not be there. Okay, that would not be a number that is between. Alrighty, friends, you did an amazing job. I will see you guys in just a little while. Make sure that you bring your math facts so that we can practice. And I hope that you have been practicing your math facts every day. All right, see you in a bit. Bye.